Hi everyone. So today we have Dr. KG Kallur with us. Dr. KG Kallur is the head of the department nuclear medicine. Welcome Dr. Kallur.
Thank you. Hi everyone.
Dr. Kallur, can you please tell us what is the importance of PET CT?
Okay, there are two types of PET CTs available in the market today. One is analog. So most of the centers across the world, they are using what is called as analog. We also have analog PET CT, but now the technology has moved further. We are getting what is called as the digital PET CT. So in a simple word, so you may be using a mobile phone, a camera. It has, whenever you are buying a new camera, you will always go for a higher megapixel camera. So when you get a higher megapixel camera, you have a better quality image, better color pictures. So you will definitely look for better quality image. So if you go for older generation, say about 5 years ago, the most of the mobile phones were having maybe 5 megapixel or 8 megapixel. Today people are talking about 30, 40 or even 108 megapixel camera, because the clarity of the image is definitely better in a digital PET CT. This is how, in a simple word, I am telling you.
Can you please elaborate on digital PET CT?
Okay. So coming back to again analog and a digital PET CT, the technology differs. Basically, we are detecting a radioactivity. We inject a radio tracer into the patient, typically radioactive glucose. So it emits radiation and it is detected by the PET CT using a different technology. In analog, there is one crystal where it is multiplied into a digital information by using a separate technology. And in digital PET CT, we are using a different technology where the detection of the each radioactivity is far more crisp and more accurate, and it detects more photons or more, you can say, the information coming from the PET CT. So in the analog PET CT, the information coming is bit crude. It is not that very crisp. Whereas in a digital PET CT, each individual photon is detected as an event. So the image becomes much more crisp. So now we have moved in HCG to digital PET CT, because as a end user, for example, I am always give you a mobile phone, you will always go for a higher megapixel camera. So because you will get a better clarity of the picture. So in the digital PET CT also, we have gone for a new digital PET CT. The first time in Karnataka, and this will become a standard all over the world again. At present, it is very expensive to buy, but for the sake of the patients, we always want to give the best for our patients. So we have gone for a digital PET CT.
So doctor, what are the advantages of a digital PET CT?
Okay. So again, I have to compare the analog PET CT and the digital PET CT. Ultimately, the image quality is far superior in the digital PET CT. For example, if I am able to get, say, 100 counts in 1 minute in an analog PET CT, I may be getting almost 300 or 400 counts in 1 minute in a digital PET CT in the same clinical scenario. So the information coming into the from the patient body into the digital PET CT and further processing of the image is far more superior. And other advantages are, we always inject a radioactivity to the patient. So when we are injecting a radioactivity into the patient is also concerned. As a doctor, we are also concerned, because we are injecting a radiation. We are giving radiation to the patient. We want to minimize that radiation. With a digital PET CT, we can inject almost, say, 50% less dose and get twice the more information than the analog picture. So first, the advantages are, you are injecting less radioactivity to the patient, less radiation hazard to the patient, and because our staff, the medical staff is also injecting, for them also they are handling less radioactivity, and the image is far superior than the digital analog PET CT, even though we have injected half the dose. So these are the advantages. And another advantage is, because we can get more information, we can finish the scan also very fast. In analog PET CT, typically we do a scan for 15 to 20 minutes, whole body, giving half the dose, and we can finish the whole body scan under 5 minutes now. So the image is finished for the patient within 5 minutes, whereas it takes 15 minutes in an analog PET CT. What are the advantages here for the patient? The scanner is finished, the scan is finished faster, and many of the patients, they are very sick, they have pain, they may not be able to lie down for 15 to 20 minutes. We know that. It is really very sad to look at suffering of those patients. Whereas if I am able to finish that scan, say in 3 to 5 minutes, the patient is happy, the patient is comfortable, even though they have a lot of pain, somehow they can still cooperate for 3 to 5 minutes and finish the scan comfortably, compared to a same patient undergoing 15 minutes procedure. These are the main advantages.
Doctor, does digital PET CT alter the clinical outcomes?
Yes, definitely. I told you just a few minutes ago that what are the benefits of the digital PET CT. So the benefits far outweigh the digital PET CT compared to analog PET CT. So what are the benefits now? You are injecting less radioactivity, you are getting better image quality, you are finishing the scan faster. And the image is far crisp and clear. So if there is a smallest lesion, say 2 millimeter lesion or 1 millimeter lesion, which was not, we were having difficulty earlier in an analog image. So today a smallest lesion can be picked up very nicely, and when we pick up a very small lesion, definitely the disease will be staged better, and it will help in planning the surgery in a better manner, the chemotherapy in a better manner, and also radiotherapy. Today we are seeing that the radiotherapy plan is changing a lot when you add a PET scan, PET images, and on top of that if you add a digital PET CT, which is far better than the analog image, definitely your radiotherapy outcomes also will be better.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you for explaining so well.
Thank you.
This is definitely going to help our viewers. So if you have any further questions, you can write down in the comments below.